Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Today I'm joined by my special guest here, which is my little niece.
Hi, I'm Lilia.
And today we'll be doing a makeup look for you all. Are you all ready? Let's start.
Bing.
So how is school?
Good.
Good. What do you do at school?
Science.
Science. Right. So Lilia, in case you all don't know, she goes to like a science school. Yes, for her little age and for her little grade and for her elementary, they do like a specialized science school.
Yeah.
And they learn about like aerospace and all that
Yeah,
stuff.
but aerospace is like science.
Aerospace is science.
Yeah. And
Technically.
Yeah, it's technically science. Wait, let me see.
So what's the kind of look that we're doing today, Lilia?
I don't know.
You don't know? So you're just doing however, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Whatever comes to mind, right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be a makeup artist when you grow up? I want to. You want to? What else do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher, maybe.
You want to be a teacher, maybe? Ooh, that's so cool and fun. What grade are you gonna teach?
I don't know.
You don't know yet,
Maybe
right?
because it's not hard as like first grade and second graders.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah.
But let's wait till you get to like middle school and high school and all that, right?
Yeah.
And college too. Because maybe, who knows, you might want to become a professor, right, in college?
Maybe.
She's scared too.
She's too scared. Then I guess this video ain't gonna go anywhere, huh?
Yeah.
Do we just call it good here?
Wait, no.
Are we gonna stop here, Lilia?
Instead, we'll just use this instead.
Okay. Do you like using makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing about doing makeup?
That I get to use colorful palettes.
You like you use colorful palettes? What's your favorite thing to do when it comes to makeup?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's okay.
Because there's lots to do.
I know, right?
When it
Makeup.
comes to
That's the beauty of makeup. There's a lot of stuff to do. You can either make it short or you can make it simple. You can make it short and simple or you can make it very complex. Do you think makeup is fun?
Yeah, very fun.
Yeah, why is that?
I don't know.
You don't know, you just think it's fun.
Yeah.
You just find it fun.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
find it fun.
I find doing makeup really fun too, because you can do like a lot of creative stuff. To me, it's almost like, what was it, drawing or painting, but you do it on yourself. I'm not the best at drawing and coloring and painting, but I'm a lot better at doing makeup than doing those things at all.
Yeah.
Like, I'm terrible at doing all those stuff. But makeup is like my one thing I know how to sort of do.
But the one on your channel, the one that you did, like the butterfly one,
Oh yeah.
I don't know how you did that. It looks like you've been loading it for like years, but you have not loaded it for
Oh,
years.
thank you.
There we go. Did it.
Okay, let me look in the mirror thing. Okay, you can see a lot more now. See better, right? High five, you look good.
Let's see. Hello.
So, this is the final product of Lilia's makeup that she did for me. That she did on me. What do you all think? Do you all like it? Does it look nice? Do you like it, Lilia? Does it look nice? Oh, okay.
Not really.
You don't like it? No? I think it's fine. You're still learning. Makeup is makeup is a learning process. Good job, though. High five. I'm really proud of you. It looks really nice. I think it looks nice. Or at least a good effort. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. And we'll see you all next time. Bye!